today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable pop-ups in Google Chrome. Pop-ups are often seen as a nuisance, especially when unexpected ads appear while browsing the web. However, there are times when allowing pop-ups is necessary. For instance, when certain websites use them to display essential information or interactive content. So, if you've encountered a situation where you need to enable pop-ups, follow along with me, and I'll walk you through the process in a few easy steps. First, let's start by opening Google Chrome on your computer. Once you have Chrome open, direct your attention to the top right corner of the browser window. There, you'll spot a three-dot menu icon. This is your gateway to navigating the Chrome settings. By clicking on this icon, a drop-down menu will appear, giving you a range of options. What you want to do is scroll through this menu and select Settings. This action will take you to a new page where you can manage your browser settings. Now, it might feel like diving into a large sea of options, but hang tight, we're going to focus on the important ones. Once you're on the settings page, look over to the left panel. You'll notice a series of categories designed to help you navigate through these settings more efficiently. Here, you need to click on Privacy and Security. This is where Google Chrome wraps all its functions related to protecting your browsing experience, whether that's managing site data, clearing browsing history, or in our case, adjusting pop-up settings. Next, you're going to choose Site Settings. This option is crucial, as it helps you dictate how websites interact with your browser. It lays out several customizable permissions, and amongst these, you'll see the one we're focusing on today. Go ahead and scroll down a bit within the site settings and search for pop-ups and redirects. Once you find it, click on Pop-ups and Redirects, a dedicated section where you can manage how pop-ups appear while you're browsing. Here, you are presented with options to either allow all sites to send you pop-ups or block them entirely. To enable pop-ups, you'll want to select Sites Can Send Pop-ups and use redirects. And there you go. With just a few clicks, you've successfully adjusted your pop-up settings in Google Chrome. Remember, while pop-ups can be useful for accessing important site features or information, it's always a good idea to be selective about which sites you allow to use this feature for added security. I hope this tutorial has been helpful for you. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.